So once again, I'm going to take you guys on a driving tour, and this time we're going to go out to Turkey Creek. Here a lot of us talk about Turkey Creek. It's a shopping and dining and entertainment area that we have here in West Knoxville. I'm going to show you that from the perspective of just taking a drive through and talking about what I'm seeing, and I hope you enjoy it. So we're currently at the intersection of Parkside Drive and Lovell Road. This is the entrance to Turkey Creek. It runs from Lovell Road all the way down to Campbell Station Road if you're looking at it on a map. What we're going to do is we're going to drive down Parkside and then come back out so you can see both sides, because we have Tenova and some hospitals and stuff. So as we work our way in, on the right here, you're going to see there's a new apartment complex right here. You live in here, you can easily walk to different restaurants and those types of things. People ask a lot about, Turkey Creek. You see things online about it. This is one of our shopping areas. This is the area where you have most of your shopping in one spot, if that's what you're looking to do. So, you're going to see everything in here from Walmart to Target to tons of restaurants. You can see those apartment buildings over here on the right. And then you're going to see, as we get ourselves into Turkey Creek just a little bit to the right, you're going to see lots of different restaurants and stores in these outdoor shopping strip malls. Everything. There's an Indian restaurant, sushi, a Sleep Number bed company, Pilates, Earth Fair, Suntan City. You're seeing all that stuff over here on the right at the moment. And I'm going to actually drive into some of these areas because it's very hard to see, because they do a great job of hiding it driving down Parkside Drive. So if we drive here, in front of me, you're seeing Connor Concepts. Just to the left of that, attached to it, is Connor's Steak and Seafood, which is one of my favorite restaurants. But I want to show you this area here, Salsaritas. You can see in this section, Peach Cobbler Factory, fantastic. And in here, you're going to see an Indian restaurant, Sweet Frogs, which is frozen yogurt, Club Pilates, Sleep Number Bed Company, Kabuka, Earth Fair. And I'm just going to drive up the side of this before I come back out on Parkside because it's so hard to see. So Earth Fair there on the right. Turkey Creek is one of those areas that if you just need to go get some things done, you can find just about anything you want here. We come over here a lot to eat. Suntan City's there, Salsarita is really good. And so we'll come over here to eat. Now I'm going to turn back out and turn back right one more time, going on down Parkside Drive, and we'll do that again. To the right, you can see the sign right here for me. Directly to my right is Olive Garden. And then there's a Spring Hill Suites, a couple motels here in Parkside, Homewood Suites. So whether it's a Marriott you're a member of or the Hilton brand, Spring Hill is Marriott, Homewood obviously is Hilton. This is Mimi's Cafe coming up right here on the right. One of my wife's favorites. She really likes it. Another really good restaurant. And then you're going to see Schumacher Homes. There's a chiropractor place. I'm just going to hit the high points. Merle Norman, Baskin Robbins, Noodles and Company, just lots and lots of variety. In Motion Wellness Studio, there's a nail bar there, there's a taco place there. Braden's back in the back, which is a furniture store. We've got a cookout here on the right. And then you've got dental care, dentist office, mattress firm. We had a Steak and Shake here, which looks like it's either being renovated or turned into something else. And then on the right, next is CarMax. As we work our way down Parkside, and this is an area that also has more shops in it, restaurants. As you can see, as we're working our way down, there's a Lens Crafters here, and I'm going to turn it right here into Pinnacle at Turkey Creek. So we turn right into this little subsection of Turkey Creek. You've got Lens Crafters, Fleming's, phenomenal steakhouse as well. As we go straight, we have Ulta. There's Lens Crafters, a jewelry store. And then you're seeing like World Market, Home Sense store, the bed store, Hallmark store, and just so many different places to shop all in this one area. Bluff City Soap, Sunglass Hut, J. Crew, Talbot's. As we continue on down through here, it just goes on and on and on with the different types of shopping and dining that are in here. Just giving you a good feel for what all this is, not just what is here, but also what it feels like. Turkey Creek, it's very well maintained. It's very nice and clean. I'm shooting this video on a Tuesday and it is 2:20 p.m. Give you an idea of traffic. It's the month of July, so it's a main time where people would be out. Kids aren't in school or anything. Actually, I think what I'm going to do is go straight. There's a Carhartt store here on the left, and then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to turn left at this stop sign. And then we're going to tur Condado Tacos Mexican restaurant, very, very good here on my left. And then one of my favorite stores, that's the reason I came this way, because if you're watching this video, the one thing you're probably going to need when you get here is some really good Tennessee gear. That's right here at Alumni Hall. It's one of my favorite places in Knoxville, so you got to love that. Make sure and come over here and check that out and get you some good Tennessee gear for when you move here. Bonefish Grill's over here on the left, another great restaurant, of course. And then we're back where we started with Fleming's across the road, so we're going to turn right here, get back out on Parkside Drive, and then we're going to continue west again out Parkside. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down to close to Campbell Station Road, which is the other end of Turkey Creek. We're going to turn there and come back up Parkside on the east side, and I can show you some of what's on that side and just give you a feel for this area. What is it? What kind of shops are there? We're trying to give you just, once again, an on-the-ground feel for what our area is like. You see that it's well maintained. And as I said earlier, it's mowed, it's landscaped, it's just nice. Over on the other side of the interstate, from right here, is Topgolf and some other things that are out here. We've got a Red Robin up here on the right. That'll be at the next red light right here. There's also a Burlington back there, and Reese's, a Marshall's up here. Well, that's a favorite place for a lot of people. There is not a TJ Maxx in here at the moment, but there is a Marshall's. And then if we work our way on down, there is a PGA Tour Superstore and some other smaller stores in the middle here, which is always, if you're a golfer, wonderful to have at home. Fantastic store as well. Fidelity Investments, Verizon, just different types of those types of things as we work our way on down. And I'm actually Fleet Feet, which is wonderful. If you're a runner, that's a fantastic store. And so I'm going up here and I'm going to turn left in just a minute into the Publix, which is right near the end out here. And we'll come back this way and show you another golf shop, Soho Nails, just all kinds of good stuff over there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn left right here. And if you look straight ahead beyond this red light, the next, you see those cars stopping there, that's the next red light. That is Campbell Station Road, and that's the end of Turkey Creek. So I'm going to turn left now, and we're going to go back east on that same road. And then on the right here, we've got a Longhorn Steakhouse. You've got a Zaxby's, just more restaurants. And we're going to work our way now. We're moving back east, just where we came from, other side of the 4-lane. We have a JCPenney's up here on the right, large department store in our area if you're not familiar with them. We're going to keep working our way on down here. You've got TBA Credit Union here, Employees Credit Union. You've got a Panda Express, Tennessee State Bank, just a variety of different things throughout Turkey Creek. People will come over here for a lot of reasons. There's a Chili's, the professional buildings here on the right, office space, medical space. And then there's a Total Wine & More down here, and we'll show you that. And then the Pinnacle 18 is down here. It's a really nice movie theater here in Knoxville. It's our favorite. The reason we like it, one, you can reserve a seat. Two, it's usually just really good and clean, and it's an easy place to go catch a movie. There's Chipotle Cava on the right there, another nail place. I'm going to turn in here and show you this section. All right, so as I turn right here at the stop sign, this is going to take us into the section. First thing you're going to see when I turn right here is Calhoun's. Calhoun's is a restaurant chain that's locally owned. We enjoy Calhoun's for a variety of reasons. There's the one here in Turkey Creek. There's one over on Kingston Pike. There's one downtown on the river, which is fantastic. There's one in Lenore City on the river as well, but really good food. And then Smoky Mountain Brewery, which is actually owned by the same company, same local holding company. So they're right here beside each other. And then you're going to see on up in front of this, you can see Cava, and there's some other smaller restaurants around through there. And then you can see right here, Total Wine & More right there. Edwin Watts Golf, another golf store, Michael's Dental Works. This was a Party City. Of course, Party City has now gone out of business. So we have a Barnes & Noble. How about that? A new bookstore coming. Barnes & Noble coming into this space, which is fantastic. Coming fall of this year, you can see the signs there. Salon, lots of variety of different things. Korean barbecue and hot pot. I mean, and that's the thing too, we talk about the food here in Knoxville. It's nice. It has a lot of variety to it. And now as we work back out, the other thing that you're going to see, if I were to turn right, there's actually housing back here in the cove at Turkey Creek. And so I'm not going to go back there because we're not in the subdivision hunt today, but I am going to just note where that is. And then across the street over here to my right, which we're fixing to turn right at the red light, back going east on Parkside Drive. And the first thing you're going to see over there is the Regal Pinnacle 18. Regal also is a Knoxville-based company, and very nice movie theater. You can see a lot of cars over there. It is it's a busy theater, which is nice, and it's a large theater, so there's a lot of variety that normally we're going to catch there. And like I said, nice and clean, quiet, good place to watch a movie. 4 stores coming up here on the right. Just gonna turn in here and kind of give you a flavor for what's in here. You can see the backside of a GNC. You've got a Kirkland's, a PetSmart right here. There's a shoe station to my right. Yeah, you can see that on the video, I believe, and a Dollar Tree. And then instead of getting too close to the buildings, I'm going to turn left right here and take us down. You'll see, of course, Kirkland's, Ross, Target, and then as you continue on down, and the last store will be Walmart. And you can see one of the things about this, you're seeing some traffic. Why? Because this is a popular area with all these stores here together. And of course, in this parking lot, you get Target, Chick-fil-A. You will see right up here a Hobby Lobby, Old Navy, DSW shoes, lots of things. There's a Starbucks right up here on the right, so you got a lot of people coming out right now. This traffic is directly from Chick-fil-A. Everybody loves Chick-fil-A. This is an area that, in the holiday season, it gets very busy. Office Max here on the right. And then we have Walmart. Everybody and anybody loves to go to Walmart, right? Lane Bryant. And that would be the end of the stores on this end. So I'm going to turn left here. We're going to work our way down this lane and back out kind of closer to where we came in. So we can get back out and go east on up Parkside and out. And then the last thing I'm going to show you is where Costco's at in relation to this. It's also very close. If you're looking on a map, you can see Five Guys in front of us, a Cavender's Boot. City is up here it'll be on the right now after I turn left. We'll go up here at the stop sign, turn right, and turn right back onto Parkside Drive. There's a Rack Room Shoes there, a Blaze Pizza to my right. You can't see that on video. I'm sorry about that. Blaze is good. And then, so we will continue our tour. You see Blaze there on the right. You've got a cookie company, Jersey Mike's, Sally's Beauty Supply, a vitamin shop. And then you see Walmart over on the right. Now we're getting close to being back out to Level Road where we initially came in. One thing that you couldn't see when we came in that I wanted you to see, I talked about, was Tenovo Medical Complex. You see the entrance to Walmart there. And that's Tenovo up to the right. It is a really good hospital right here, good heart hospital. There's also some general practitioners and other types of offices over here other than just, it's a medical complex. And so you've got a variety of different things that you can go over there medically, different areas from general practitioners over to the hospital. So when we get right out here to Level Road, which is the next red light, we're going to turn right. And we're going to turn around on Level Road. And the reason we're going to do that is Costco isn't inside Turkey Creek. But since we're out here, I want to show you, because it's always a question, where's Costco in relation to things and where they are. So if you turn right here on Level Road, Costco literally just sits right outside. So we turn right here. We go just a little bit here, and at the next red light, we would turn right at this red light, and that's Costco. And I've been asked, do you have a Sam's? Yes, we have a Sam's. It's not out in this area. Do you have a BJ's? We do. You can see the sign right there for Costco. So if I turn right here, we will be in Costco. You see a First Watch over there too. It's another great place to grab breakfast. Well, I hope you enjoyed our driving tour of Turkey Creek. If you have a comment, leave that below. Thumbs up are always appreciated. We love to see those thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so below. Till next time, guys, I can't wait to see you around Knoxville really soon.